be a legacy builder.
When I bought my first property, I had to look at 50 properties minimum before I bought my first property. Why did I look at 50 properties? Because I got to know if I buy this property for 80,000 rand, I'm going to spend 10,000 rand. My next door is being sold for 150,000 rand. So already I have an equity of 60,000 rand in my property, right? So going through those processes, you understand how do you then get your property to a level which, let me say, same value level, but spending less, but of quality, to be able to get the people. And once you've done that, remember, once you've done that, it means that you can monopolize the market. That's what you want to become. You want to say that even COVID hits, if you drop to 60% of your income, you're still going to be able to survive. That's where you want to be. You're the shrewd investor. You're the one that's going to make the market happen, not the other way around. And anybody sitting in this room can do that. I've done it, and anyone can do it. And I didn't have money to do it. I just had my brains. And when I started working, I just had to sacrifice a lot, right? And in 5 years, I could quit my job and live on this property and build businesses out of this money that I made from my property. So it can be done, but you have to do your research. Once you've done your research, you must go for viewing. Take Tom Hewitt. She's an assessor. The most expensive cost in the building is the roofing. So you need to take an assessor to that property. So if a roofing is over 15 years old and you think that you're going to do small maintenance, you are not going to. Rather price it into your offer and then fix the roofing properly. Very important, because if the roofing is off, you don't have anything. You can paint, you can spend a lot of money like Ntombi said, but your money is going to go to waste because you're going to have damp on your property. The thing is, once you've done an educated assessment, you're not going to play the emotional game. But once you've done your homework, you'll be able to minimize the pumping of your heart. Right? And then you go with your head. There's still going to be the heart that says, that one I love. But the thing is, you're buying to make money. Right? So even if you're buying for yourself, you ask yourself the question, if I lose my job today, can I pack my stuff, go stay somewhere, live with my family, and I don't lose that property? When I find my feet, I can come back into that property, right? And if you've done your proper research, it means that your rentals will always pay the bond with some change in your pocket. Because remember, we break even. If you're a legacy builder, you break even. There's no money, there's nothing like I'm going to put in 100. You break even.
Amen.
That's what we're here for. We're not here to lose money. We're here to break even. When you've lost money, you've broken even. Because you heard in the video, the most important thing is the preservation of the capital, which is the money you started with. So you break even. So that's where we go. So once you've made the offer, then you close on your deal. That's when you get your keys. Once you've closed on your deals, you do renovations. The reason why I've put kitchen as part of the renovations is that if you're going to make money, you must understand, if you've done your research and you're saying you're putting couples in your properties, you must know the best place, the person that's going to make the decision for them to move in is the woman. Women are the deal makers. The people don't do this. So, Mina, my target is to make the wife happy, the wife of whoever that's coming to stay there happy. If the women can see themselves cooking in that kitchen, you've closed your deal. I'm doing things for mothers because they have to see themselves with their kids living a healthy life, a joyful life. That's what I'm building my businesses on.
A happy wife.
A happy wife, a happy home. Right? The last part is to find your tenants. That is why my lady is there. She is my tenant. whoever is coming in is the wife that I'm talking about. So once you find your tenants, that's how you become a successful real estate investor. Be a legacy builder and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.